Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on IXL scale P56. Reminder, it's talking about circles. So we're going to go ahead and jump in here, switch my color. Let's do blue. So these are word problems. And for this one right here, we don't have a picture, so I'm going to draw one for us. I highly recommend you guys get in the habit of drawing these pictures just to help you. If we're doing our circle, it tells us that it has a radius of 1 centimeter. So we're going to start in the middle. We work our way out. This is our radius of 1. It wants to know the area, and the area is equal to pi, and remember r squared, not r times 2, but r squared. And we know that pi is equal to 3.14. It reminds us that in the problem. So we're going to do 3.14. And honestly, I love these problems that have a 1 because any number multiplied by 1 is itself. So it makes it very easy. We know we have 1 squared. So essentially it's 3.14 times 1. I'm going to clear this and close this out so I can type the answer. Jump to our next problem. For Halloween, Kayla wears a monocle that has a diameter of 6 centimeters. You know, the little eyeglass, that's what that's talking about. It tells you it has the diameter of 6 centimeters. Now, keyword here, you'll notice it says diameter. It doesn't say radius. So if we draw a picture of this, remember it's not, the radius is half. The diameter is the entire measurement right here. Okay, so we know that it goes all the way across and it's 6. What is the monocle's radius? Well, we know that the radius is half of the diameter. So we can divide 6 by 2. And then that will give us, because it's asking for the radius, and that will give us the radius. So I'm going to go ahead and close this so I can type. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. I'm going to clear my drawings. When Elena won a contest, she got a silver medal with a radius of 4 inches. What is the medal's circumference? Okay, so this is great because you're going to be getting a lot of different we're going to be talking about diameter, we're going to be talking about radius, we're going to be talking about circumference, and we're going to be talking about area. So when we do circumference, we're doing 2. Remember, this is not squared. Before with radius, it's squared. But we're doing 2 times pi times the radius. And so we're going to be plugging in our numbers. So we know pi is 3.14. And we know we have a radius of 4. So we're going to do 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 4. Now, sometimes, and we might get an example like this, just keep in mind that sometimes they're going to ask you for circumference and they're going to give you the diameter. So in which case you're going to have to divide that diameter by 2 and plug it in. But in this problem, we already have the radius and we're going to plug that in. So I know that 2 times 4 gives me 8. So that's one way we can start. So we can go ahead and combine these two. So then it would be 8 times 3.14. And we get 25.12. Go ahead and put that in. And I'm going to clear this. Valentina's drink coaster has a radius of 2 inches. What is the coaster's area? Remember, area is equal to pi and then r squared. Remember, circumference is multiplied by 2, right? We're multiplying by 2, and area, we're squaring it. So we're going to go ahead and plug in radius of 2 squared times 3.14. Now we know that 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. So we're going to do 4 multiplied by 3.14, and we get 12.56. Let me go here. Clear this. Isaac cooks on a range that has 4 round electric burners. One of the burners has a diameter of 18 centimeters. I was hoping for a diameter. Perfect. Okay. One of the burners has a diameter of 18 centimeters. What is the burner's area? Okay, so we're solving for area and they gave us diameter. So what does that mean? When you're cooking on a stove, you know, there's circles, or you might even have 6. Those are called burners, and they're obviously circles. and it's telling you that one of them has a diameter of 18. Remember, diameter is not half. Diameter is the whole way. Radius is half. So it's telling you that this is 18, and it wants to know the burner's area. And this is, I'm so excited about this because this is what I was mentioning in the problem before when we were solving for area. So it gave us, remember, area is equal to pi times radius squared. We only have diameter, so we have to solve for radius first. And remember, radius is whenever we divide the diameter by 2. So we're going to divide 18 divided by 2. This is going to give us the radius, okay, which 18 divided by 2 is 9. So then we're going to go back in and we're going to plug in 9. So we're going to do 3.14 because that's pi. We're going to multiply it by radius squared, which is 9 squared. And remember, it's not 9 multiplied by 2. It's 9 squared, which is 9 multiplied by 9, which is going to give us 81. And then we're going to multiply that through by 3.14. And we get 254.34. We got it. All right, so if your teachers can do anything to support you, if you have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to reach out. You guys are doing a great job. Keep up the great work.